If I'm going to write the upcoming JAMB and I want to cover the JAMB syllabus for the first story combination in 90 days, this is the blueprint I'm going to follow here. So many of you have been asking about the blueprints to follow to cover JAMB syllabus. So these blueprints I'm about to expose to you here is what Deeper Life High School I'll be using to read for 6 hours. And they'll be able to cover the JAMB syllabus for 90 days, which was 3 months. If you can apply it very well, it's going to be of help to you. We have what called the weekly days activity. We have what called the weekend activities. So here is that you wake up by 6 a.m. and do your morning routine, do all this your work, right? As a student, as someone who is staying with their parents. So you're going to take for 2 hours, 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. So you're going to be waking up and morning routine. You know what I mean. Then from 8 a.m. you start your reading. So this is where you read your first subject. Now I'm going to assume that you are going for science like engineering, because the subject I'm going to use is called the English, mathematics, chemistry, and physics. But if you're not in, if this is not a story combination, then you can replace it with any other subject. Do you understand? So please pay close attention because it's going to help you a lot. So from 8 a.m. you're going to study the first subject, which is English language. So you're going to read English language as the first subject. And going to last for 1 hour 30 minutes. So your first session is going to be 1 hour 30 minutes. I'm going to last from 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. So after you have studied for that first session, you're going to take a break for 15 minutes. Now, taking a break is very, very important. So you probably can go for work or you can do anything, but you have to take a break for 15 minutes. Just so after you take a break for 15 minutes, you come back from 9:45 a.m. For 9:45 a.m., you read the second subject. Yes, the second subject. Now, this second subject can be mathematics. Just so you read it for 1 hour 30 minutes. You read it for what? 1 hour 30 minutes. So that will last for what? To 11:15. So this will last for to what? 11:15. Please make sure you are taking your pen. Make sure you have your pen and your notebook so you can take this blueprint out. It's going to be of help to you. If you can follow this here, I bet you are going to achieve a lot. So once you get to 11:15, you're going to take your second break. And this second break is going to last for 15 minutes. Just it's very important to take break. It's very important. So from that 8 a.m. to 11:15, you have rested twice and you have studied subjects. Just now you come back again. Remember you take break for 15 minutes, right? So that will not take us to 11:30 a.m. Now that 11:30 a.m. is the third subject. Now this third subject can either be physics or what? Chemistry. Physics or what? Chemistry. So depending on the one you want to study. So you read physics or chemistry for 15. Now let us say you are reading what? Physics. So going to be what? For 1 hour 30 minutes. So that will now take us to what? To 1 p.m. where I want to take your long break. It's going to be 1 hour break. So this way you can rest or you can go take your lunch. You understand? But you want to give yourself 1 hour break. It's very important to give yourself 1 hour break. So that will now bring us what? To 2 o'clock p.m. This way I want to study this fourth subject. The fourth subject. So this subject can be what? Chemistry. Just this fourth subject can be what? Chemistry. So you are going to read for what? 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour what? 30 minutes. Yes. So from 30 p.m. you take your what? Your 30. You do want to be what? 30 minutes break here. Just because you are trying to round up, you are done with the first subject for the day. Just so you take your rest. So you're going to be 30 minutes. So for 4 p.m. you come back again. You review what you have studied. It's very important you review what you studied. It's very important. So you just try to recall like what you have studied for 1 hour. So you can review what you studied for maths, English, physics, and chemistry. You review it. Just so this is you go to take for 1 hour. So for 5 p.m. is your free time. This is where you go do your evening routine, help your parents or help the normal work you do in the evening, right? So you do that. Then that will now take us to what, to 8 p.m. That 8 p.m. is what is a quick recap or using flashcard. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you how you can use flashcard in your study. How you can use flashcard. Flashcard is very important. I'm going to explain that to you. So after I've done that here, you go to before probably 30 minutes or 1 hour. Then you go and relax and sleep. You enjoy your sleep because you know that you have done the work. Now, this approach is for students who really have maximum time to study. You understand? When you have maximum time to study, you're not engaged NTA. This is going to be of help to you. So you record the stuff here. You do it for every single day. Now you can change the subject at times. Probably in the morning, your test can be chemistry, so you know how to rotate it. But this is just a blueprint of how you can study effectively. Just like you got to be of maximum help to you, so that you utilize day very well. Then you rest enough in the night, because resting is very, very important to store information in your brain. You understand? So if you can do this here from Monday to Friday. So what I've just shared with you here is going to be Monday to Friday. What we call Saturday. Now Saturday is for revision and past question. Do you understand? So that's going to be for Saturday. So the weekly day is for Monday to Friday. Then Saturday is for what? Is for revision and past question. This is where you do your revision and revise past question. Then on Sunday is going to be for speed test. Speed test to what? To test yourself. So if you can do this here, it's going to be of great help to you. So if I'm going to write JAMB, upcoming JAMB, this is the blueprint I'm going to follow, and I have all the time at my disposal. This is what blueprint I'm going to follow. Hope you follow it here. If this video is helpful, leave a comment section that this video is helpful. Please, if you have not joined our JAMB online class, please leave a comment section that you want to join JAMB online class, and I will add it to the group chat. See you in my next video.